Okay, gonna install this brand new Samtec from Amazon fingerprint lock system to this door right here. Remember, put something to block the door from closing to install the door lock, or you can get locked out. Remove your home lock. Remove your deadbolt first. Install your deadbolt plate hold cover. Now remove your bottom lock. Install your center locking unit. Screw on the back plate to the front plate module. This is the back plate to the inside of the house, to the front plate module. Like this, okay? Just like this. Put on the back plate. Don't forget the little nut they give you. Connect the cable to the connector plate. Now install the back indoor plate module. 3 screws. Hold it on. Put in your batteries and start programming it. Your job is now done. Congratulations, yay!